Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by softening the sticker gum so removal is controlled. Dampen the area with warm soapy water for 2 to 5 minutes, then blot. Do not rub, so the gum loosens. Next, apply rubbing alcohol to a microfiber or paper towel and press gently. The alcohol breaks adhesive bonds. Once done, use a plastic scraper at a low angle to lift edges. You'll avoid scratches and keep glass intact. Make sure to work from the outer edge toward the center for influence over direction. You continue by alternating gentle scraping and dissolving. Hold the plastic scraper at about a 30-degree angle, push lightly to lift softened gum, and reapply alcohol to the sticky spots as needed so adhesive keeps breaking down. Work in short passes. Dissolve, lift, wipe. Use a clean microfiber to wipe in one direction so particles collect and don't smear. If stubborn bits remain, let alcohol sit 30 to 60 seconds before another pass. This layered approach saves glass from scratches and shortens overall. You finish by removing any thin adhesive film and restoring clarity. Spray glass cleaner and buff with a lint-free cloth until no streaks remain. Make sure to dry fully. If a sticky haze persists, use a dedicated adhesive remover or repeat alcohol treatments, letting solvent sit briefly before wiping. Troubleshooting. If scraping creates micro scratches or residue won't budge, stop and apply adhesive remover specifically designed for glass. Then rinse with distilled water. This prevents clouding and achieves a clean, scratch-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.